Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming the shirt fabric and running a discreet test patch. This prevents surprises later. Once done, set your iron to low-medium heat for polyester or use a heat gun on low for thicker blends. While the surface warms, position a towel inside the shirt to protect the back and keep the number from re-adhering. Make sure you have tweezers at hand so you can start lifting an edge as soon as the adhesive softens. Proceed slowly to avoid fabric damage. You continue by heating a small section of the number and lifting gently with tweezers. This is how you separate vinyl or heat-pressed ink without tearing fibers. If you encounter stubborn adhesive, apply a little solvent to the seam. Wait a few seconds so the bond loosens, then lift again. Once larger areas are free, alternate heat and solvent in controlled passes, because rapid temperature changes or excessive solvent can weaken seams or discolor dyes. You finish by removing any leftover adhesive with a small amount of remover, then wash the area with mild soap to neutralize chemicals. This preserves the dye and prevents skin irritation. Once clean, steam or press with a cloth to relax fibers and restore the shirt's texture. Make sure to avoid direct high heat on weakened areas. If you see color loss or a gummy residue that won't come off, stop and try a color-safe dye touch-up or consult a professional to avoid further damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.